Very nice Explorer Sport. This is a 2016. Got a high output 3.5 liter EcoBoost V6. See the wheels, the fog lamps. We have reverse sensing. We have rear view camera. We have a power tailgate. Have a look inside. 53,400 kilometers on this. Usual power goodies. Full leather. Power heated, cooled front seats. Twin panel moonroof. You can see we've got navigation, keyless start, Sony audio. There's your terrain management system. A little bit different in this one. Back seat, we do have the dual captain's chairs. And you do have third row seating. You'll find this Explorer Sport at Brown Brothers Ford Lincoln, 270 Southeast Marine Drive in Vancouver.